Hello friends, welcome back to our new series of tenses. And today we will start with a new tense because we were supposed to start a new tense, and also I have already created a video with a new tense. And can you guess which tense we can begin? Yes, we will practice the future, but which? We will practice future continuous tense part 1. So it's the first part. So I hope that is you will stay with me as you did the previous tenses you did. And also we will explore the future continuous tense step by step. By this you can engage your knowledge and you can learn more. Okay? And in today's part with the new tense, today we will know the introduction of future continuous tense. What does it mean? Okay, so we will just get know about this. Okay, so no more talking. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to look at the board. Okay, so first of all, we can start from here. I have divided this in the two forms. As you know, we know future simple, but today we were supposed to learn future continuous. Okay, so what does mean of future continuous? Okay, or you can say future progressive. Okay, you can say both of them. So future continuous means that is something happens after now, not happens. Something is happening after now. Okay, something is continuing. Okay, continuing. Okay, and something is still working. Okay, some tasks are is still working. Okay, it's in the progress. Okay, in the future. So here we can get the two ways to understand the future continuous. First of all, one is it indicates the future, and the second is it indicates that is some tasks are still working in the future, which is called future continuous. Something it is happening after now. It's in the progress. Okay, that's why it is also called future progressive tense. Okay, you can say both of them. So here we have already understand this. So let's see the timeline if you want to get more detail, okay, about the future. So let's see the timeline. I have drawn a long timeline here, okay? So that is before now is past, okay? And now is present, okay, right now. But we don't have to learn the past and present, but we have to learn the future. And after now is what? Future. Okay, so let's see what does it say. So here we are watching that is, let's see that is in future simple. We know when something happens in the future, in a moment, on the time we call this what? Future simple. Okay, so let's see that is tomorrow. Suppose tomorrow I will start playing. Okay, I will start playing at 4. Okay, I will start at 4. So it indicates that is you will start playing at 4. Okay, so which indicates the work. Okay, tomorrow at the specific of the time you will start this, which is the future simple. And I will finish at 6. So you will finish your playing at 6. So which indicates the both of them. That is, these are the both future. Okay, you will start from 4 and you will finish 6. Okay, it indicates the future. You can't keep starting your playing. Okay, so it's like this. You can't keep your starting your playing, but it simply indicates the general of future. I will start at 4 at the specific of the time. You will start and you will end at 6, which indicates like this. But there's one point. If you say this, that is, if we say this, I will be playing from 4 p.m. to 6 tomorrow. Okay, which indicates a long time, which indicates how long will you play tomorrow. Okay, which indicates like this. Okay, it indicates that is it will be in the progress after now, okay, which indicates the future. Okay, so when something is in progress in the future, we generally call this future continuous. For example, that is you will start your playing at 4 and you will finish your playing at what time? 6. But if we say like this, I will be playing from 4 p.m. to 4 to 6 tomorrow. Okay, so it indicates a long time. It will be continuing. It will be in the progress. That the playing tasks of tomorrow will be in the progress in the future. Okay, it will be the continuing. So on that time, this is called future continuous. Okay, so it indicates a long time, a long period. When something happens a long period after now, we generally say this word, we generally say this future continuous. So here the timeline is here. I have started from 4 and then I have finished 6 p.m. So how can we say this into the future? We can say I will be playing from 4 to 6 p.m. tomorrow. So which indicates a long time, a short period. You will be playing, and your playing will be finished at 6 p.m. But if you say that is from 4 to 6 p.m., it indicates a period. Okay, it indicates a period. It indicates the period at the beginning, at the end. Okay, so we have just said this in the shortly. Okay, it will be the progress and which indicates a long period, a long time, a long chart of time. So we can just say this. So we can just say this in the future continuous. So here we can say, I will be playing from 4 to 6 tomorrow. So here's the timeline. You have started from 4 and you will be finished. Okay, your play will be finished to 6 p.m. So how can you say this? I will be playing from 4 to 6 tomorrow. So which indicates a long period in the future. Okay, something is progress up to now. Okay, I am telling you multiple times to understand this. And here also we have added the time marker here. Okay, you can add, it depends on you. But when you see that is will be must have in the future continuous. So on that time you have to understand that it's in the future and it will happen after now and it will be in the progress. Okay, or it can be happen a long period of time. So here it's clear. And now we will see that is how the future continuous works. When you want to say the future continuous, you have to do one something. First of all, you have to say the subject, then you have to say the to be verb here like will be, and you have to say the verb plus ing like playing, and we will see more examples. Then it works like this. I will be playing, you will be playing, we will be playing, they will be playing, he will be playing, and it keeps going like this. Okay, so this is the Chinese structure, and this is the main technique, the introduction of future continuous. Okay, we will see the more examples and also we will see the more tasks, more steps. By this you will explore something. But in today's part, you might have questions. That is okay, but it's only okay. It's the main introduction. Okay, it's the main structure to understand the introduction of future continuous tense. By this, you can identify this tense by shortly. So that, and after the next part, we will learn that is when to use the future continuous tense. Okay, and for now, best of luck and see you in the next video, everyone, and keep learning your English journey. And bye for now.